Hi everyone, we're now looking at the month of September with all the major impacts and changes that it brings for you, and we're looking at all the zodiac signs. Now, upcoming is for the next zodiac sign, and that's for you, Sagittarians. Now, for you, Sagittarians, from the career and from the business perspective, this month it is very important that you hold on to your calm and you hold on to your communication. Your communication plays a major impact this month. It does look like, on the business front and as well as with your colleagues and with your bosses, you need to hold on to your temperaments. You need to avoid any kind of misunderstanding, any kind of arguments that may happen. So just be very watchful of that and do not spoil any kind of relationships. You do have a lot of hard work, a lot of dedication, and in fact, a lot of additional responsibilities. And you may feel that it is very tiring and it's pulling you down, but all the hard work is going to pay off eventually in the long run. And you will be recognized. Your work will definitely pay off. Your progressions, your growth, your career opportunities, your profits, your gains, everything will fall into place, and give it some time to start working out from now on, because September will open opportunities for you. So keep the focus going. From the finance perspective as well, there is just some expenditures happening in the start of the month, but besides that, it's pretty stable from the finances bit. From the overall health perspective, this is a month wherein we do see some issues happening around the heart issues or heart related issues, and we even see some issues related to with the bones, with your joints, your knee regions. Those are some of the areas which may be of concern this month. Now, some of you having any old ailments or any kind of diseases that has been persistent for quite some time, you would need to give that a lot more focus and attention this month. Do not neglect any health issues happening or playing up in September. That is something that needs to be rectified, or it would have a long-term effect if you do not go ahead and address it. So September is important from the health perspective. From your relationship perspective as well, again, it says for communication to be, very careful with. It does look like, people in relationships or people even on the marriage front, you need to be careful with your relationships. Handle them very well, handle them rather with care and with concern. Avoid arguments, avoid misunderstandings. Anything that needs to be discussed, bring it forward and have it discussed openly. Even with relatives, anything got to do with major family decisions. There could be disputes in regards to any kind of property, any kind of wealth, but handle that wisely. Take good legal advice as well. Take support of some learned people that could guide you all and could help you all. But have positive and good communications in the family front and try and resolve things and try and get good solutions, and that will be a lot more profitable for everyone on the family front. Hold on to the peace and hold on to the communication from the family perspective as well. From an overall remedy perspective, this is a month for you even to work on your health. So it's important that you incorporate a lot of, salads, fluids into your diet and have a good, balanced, healthy diet going forward from September. From an overall perspective also, it's very important that you take care of, your mental health, your mental calm, and to hold on to your communication. You can go ahead and even use the Serenity Stack bracelet. It makes a lot of difference in your peace, in your calm, in your communication as well. So you can go ahead and implement that as well. I do hope you find these remedies useful. Share your comments, share your feedback with me, and do let me know what else you would like to hear. Share this with your family and friends. I'm Sharon S. Mondija. Thank you so much for being a part of Avenues. And if you're new to my family, do not forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and let's stay connected for so much more in store.